Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that can completely change your English learning journey. Daily habits for English fluency. Many people dream of speaking English fluently. They buy books, watch videos, learn grammar rules, and memorize vocabulary. But after months or even years, they still struggle to speak confidently. Why does this happen? The answer is simple. Fluency is not built by studying once in a while. Fluency is built by small daily habits repeated again and again. Think about it. A tree does not grow in one day. A strong body is not built in one workout. In the same way, fluent English is not created in one week. It grows little by little through daily practice. The good news is that you do not need to study for 5 hours every day. You do not need to be a genius. You do not need perfect grammar. What you need are the right habits and the discipline to follow them consistently. In today's video, I will share 7 powerful daily habits that can help you improve your listening, speaking, vocabulary, confidence, and overall fluency. These habits are simple, practical, and perfect for beginners. If you practice them every day, your English will become stronger, more natural, and more fluent over time. So stay with me until the end, because each lesson builds on the previous one, and together they can create a powerful transformation in your English journey. And if you truly want to improve your English and become more confident every day, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join our learning community. Lesson 1. Listen to English every day. If you want to become fluent in English, the first habit you should build is listening to English every single day. Many learners think speaking is the most important skill. Speaking is important. But before you can speak well, you must train your ears. Your ears are the doorway to fluency. Think about how a child learns a language. A child does not open a grammar book. A child does not memorize hundreds of vocabulary words. A child listens. Day after day, month after month, the child hears people talking. Slowly, the brain begins to understand the sounds, the rhythm, and the patterns of the language. After enough listening, speaking starts naturally. English learners can learn in a very similar way. When you listen to English every day, your brain starts becoming familiar with the language. At first, you may understand only a few words. You may feel confused. You may think people speak too fast. This is completely normal. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner who struggled to understand. Many learners make a big mistake. They listen to English for a few days and then stop because they cannot understand everything. They think, this is too difficult. But listening is not about understanding every single word. Listening is about training your brain. Imagine going to the gym for the first time. You cannot lift heavy weights on the first day. Your muscles need time to grow stronger. Listening works the same way. Every minute you spend listening is like exercise for your brain. Little by little, your listening muscles become stronger. Start with easy English. Choose content that matches your level. If something feels too difficult, do not quit. Find something easier. The goal is to listen regularly, not to impress yourself with difficult material. A very useful habit is to listen during small moments throughout the day. Listen while making breakfast. Listen while cleaning your room. Listen while walking. Listen while exercising. Listen while relaxing in the evening. These small moments may seem unimportant, but they add up. 10 minutes here and 15 minutes there can become hours of English exposure every week. The beautiful thing about listening is that you can do it almost anywhere. You do not need a special classroom. You do not need expensive equipment. You only need the willingness to make English a part of your daily life. As you continue listening every day, something interesting starts to happen. Words that once sounded strange begin to sound familiar. Sentences that once seemed confusing become easier to understand. Your brain starts recognizing common phrases automatically. For example, when you hear phrases like, "How are you doing?" "What do you mean?" "That sounds great," or "I don't know," again and again, you stop translating them. You understand them instantly. This is an important step toward fluency. Listening also helps improve pronunciation. Many learners struggle with pronunciation because they do not hear enough English. The more you listen, the more your brain learns the correct sounds. You begin noticing how native speakers connect words, stress certain syllables, and use natural rhythm. Do not worry if your progress feels slow. Language learning is often invisible. Some days it may feel like nothing is changing. Then one day you suddenly realize you understood a conversation that was impossible for you a few months ago. That is how progress works. Small improvements happen quietly until they become impossible to ignore. There is a simple truth that many successful learners understand. Fluency is not built in one day. It is built one day at a time. Every time you listen to English, you are placing another brick in the foundation of your fluency. So make listening a daily habit. Even if you are busy, even if you are tired, even if you can only listen for a few minutes, stay consistent. Remember, every fluent English speaker has spent thousands of hours listening to English. The more English you hear, the more natural it becomes. Train your ears every day, and one day your mouth will follow. That is how fluency begins. Lesson 2. Speak English out loud. Every day. Many English learners spend years studying grammar, memorizing vocabulary, and reading books, yet they still feel nervous when it is time to speak. Why does this happen? Because speaking is a skill, and like every skill, it improves only when you practice it regularly. Imagine a person who watches hundreds of videos about swimming but never enters the water. Will that person become a great swimmer? Of course not. The same thing happens with English. You can learn many rules and many words, but if you do not speak, your fluency will never grow as fast as it could. This is why speaking English out loud every day is one of the most powerful habits you can build. Your mouth needs training just as much as your brain does. When you speak, you train your tongue, your lips, and your voice to produce English sounds naturally. Many beginners wait for the perfect moment to start speaking. They think, "I will speak when my grammar is perfect." Or they say, "I will speak when I know more vocabulary." The problem is that this perfect moment never comes. Fluent speakers are not people who waited until they were perfect. They're people who started before they felt ready. At first, speaking may feel uncomfortable. You may forget words. You may make grammar mistakes. You may stop in the middle of a sentence because you do not know what to say next. That is completely normal. Mistakes are not signs of failure. Mistakes are signs that you are learning. One of the easiest ways to practice speaking is to talk to yourself. Some people feel strange when they hear this idea, but it is one of the best methods for beginners. You do not need a partner. You do not need a classroom. You can start right now. When you wake up in the morning, describe what you are doing. I am getting out of bed. I am making breakfast. I need to take a shower. I have a busy day today. These simple sentences may not seem important, but they train your brain to think and speak in English at the same time. You can also talk about your surroundings. Look around your room and describe what you see. There is a table near the window. My phone is on the desk. The weather looks sunny today. This type of practice teaches you how to use English in real life. As you become more comfortable, try speaking for longer periods. Talk about your goals, your hobbies, your favorite movie, your family, or your plans for the future. Do not worry if your sentences are simple. Simple English spoken confidently is much better than complicated English that is never spoken. Speaking every day also helps you become faster. In the beginning, your brain may take a long time to create a sentence. You think about every word. You translate everything. This process feels slow and tiring. But when you practice daily, your brain starts creating sentences automatically. Common words and phrases become easier to remember. You spend less time thinking and more time communicating. Confidence grows the same way. Many learners believe confidence comes first and speaking comes second. In reality, speaking comes first and confidence comes second. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become. The more comfortable you become, the more confident you feel. Confidence is built through action, not waiting. Think about a learner named Daniel. When he started learning English, he was afraid of making mistakes. Every time he wanted to speak, he became nervous. Because of this fear, he stayed silent most of the time. One day, Daniel made a simple decision. He would speak English for 10 minutes every day, no matter what. Some days he talked about his breakfast. Some days he talked about his work. Some days he described his plans for the weekend. His English was not perfect. He made many mistakes. But he kept going. After a few weeks, speaking became easier. After a few months, he noticed that he could express his ideas much faster. The habit that seemed small at the beginning completely changed his ability to communicate. The same thing can happen to you. Remember, fluency is not built by staying silent. Fluency is built by speaking, even when it feels difficult. Every sentence you speak is a step forward. Every mistake teaches you something. Every day of practice brings you closer to your goal. So make a promise to yourself. Speak English out loud every day. Speak when you feel confident. Speak when you feel nervous. Speak when your sentences are perfect. Speak when they are not. Because every fluent English speaker started exactly where you are now, with simple words, simple sentences, and the courage to open their mouth and begin. Lesson 3. Read something in English every day. If listening is food for your ears and speaking is exercise for your mouth, then reading is training for your mind. Reading is one of the most powerful daily habits for English fluency because it helps you learn vocabulary, grammar, sentence structure, and natural expressions all at the same time. Many learners believe that reading is boring or less important than speaking. But the truth is that almost every fluent English speaker spends a lot of time reading. Reading fills your mind with English. It shows you how real sentences are created. It teaches you how words work together naturally. Think about this for a moment. When you speak, you use words that are already inside your mind. If your mind contains only a small amount of English, then your speaking will also be limited. Reading helps you put more English into your brain every day. One of the biggest mistakes